Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we will introduce one of the culture in West Kalimantan, namely the Rumah Radakng. Let's see the following video explanation. Rumah Radakng is a long house that is traditional house for the Dayak tribe in West Kalimantan province. This is the largest traditional house in Indonesia and landmark for the city of Pontianak after the Equator Monument. Rumah Radakng has a length of 138 meters, a width of 5 meters, and a height of 7 meters. The location is in the cultural village complex on Jalan Sultan Syahrir, Kota Baru, Pontianak. When we enter Rumah Radakng area, our eyes will be fixed on 6 large pillars in front of the Rumah Radakng, on which there is an ivory hornbill, which is the symbol of the valor and the strength for the Dayak tribe of West Kalimantan. If we look at the row of 6 large pillars on which there are ivory hornbill, then we can see a ladder which is usually called hijat. The number of strands must be odd, so that is a small house. We can see 3 strands in the middle of the house and at the far left and right. The body of the long house generally uses iron which is sturdy and lasts a long time. Each room is partitioned by walls made of the wooden planks. The floor of the house generally uses wood made of bamboo, splerica, nut, or roundwood. The characteristic of local wisdom can be seen from the carving of the motif with various relief. These motifs are found on the door of the Rumah Radakng, the support post, and near the top of the roof. The dominant motif is red, which is the typical color of the Dayak tribe. The red color symbolizes courage. Inside this traditional house, there is a main room that can accommodate up to 600 people. At the back of the Rumah Radakng, there are small gardens that add to the beauty and splendor of the Rumah Radakng.
The relationship between the Rumah Radakng.
The walls of the Rumah Radakng, which has 4 sides, namely 2 long sides and 2 wide sides. If analyzed, there are several characteristics between them are:
A. AB is not the same as CD, and AD is not the same as CD. B. M angle A equals to M angle B equals to M angle C equals to M angle D equals to 90 degree. C. AC equals to BD. D. Has 2 rotational symmetry and 2 folding symmetry. Formula: perimeter equals to 2 parentheses length times width. Area equals to length times width.
2. Rumah Radakng roof in the form of a parallelogram.
The roof of the Rumah Radakng has 4 sides, namely 2 right and left sides and 2 front and rear sides. If analyzed, there are several characteristics including: A. AB is not the same as CD, and BC is not the same as AD. B. Angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle C. C. The sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Formula: perimeter equals to 2 parentheses A plus B. Area equals to base times height. Rumah Radakng style in the form of a right triangle. A right triangle has the following characteristic: A. The measure of the angles is 19 degree. B. Both sides can be the same length or all 3 sides can be not the same length as the other. C. The sum of the angles is 180 degree. D. The 2 angles are acute angles, namely angles A and angle C. E. The Pythagorean theorem applies, namely BC power equals to AB power plus AC power. Formula: perimeter equals to side A plus side B plus side C. Area equals to 1/2 base times height. 5. Arithmetic sequences and series on the leader of the Rumah Radakng. Rumah Radakng has a leader Khalid Hejat. The uniqueness of the leader is that the number of steps must be odd. The number of steps can be calculated using the arithmetic sequence formula. Arithmetic sequence formula UN equals to A plus parenthesis n minus 1 times B. Information 1. UN equals to term 2n 2. A equals to first terms 3. N equals to many terms 4. B equals to common difference.
Example of mathematical question with Rumah Radakng object, namely on the stairs. Rumah Radakng has a staircase called Hejat. The uniqueness of the stairs is the number of stairs must be odd. If the number of odd stairs is written as follows: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Calculate the value of 11th term and 20th term. Formula for the nth term is UN equals to A plus parenthesis n minus 1 times B. Consider arithmetic sequence is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A is the first term, A is 3, and B is the common difference. B equals to second term minus first term equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. First, calculate the value of 11th term. 11th term equals to 3 plus parenthesis 11 minus 1 times 2 equals to 3 plus 10 times 2 equals to 3 plus 20 equals to 23. Second, calculate the value of 20th term. 20th term equals to 3 plus parenthesis 20 minus 1 times 2 equals to 3 plus 19 times 2 equals to 3 plus 38 equals to 41.